Yes, people. Here is everything I ate. Meal prepping. I didn't have a lot of time. I didn't get meat. But these meals will still be like 70, 80 grams of protein. So, first and foremost, well, can't forget your Monster.
For about 5,000. That's fine and cheap to get anything really from around 2015, 2016 onwards.
Oh, dickhead. I didn't cut it. Fuck. I didn't cut it. Shit. I didn't cut my sandwich. Fucking hell. It's just a big block. Thank you.
I'll be a bit annoying once you get more customers. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, Jerome.
Oh yeah, right, perfect. What I'll do then, I'll drop you a text message once I've got through to him. If I'm not able to get through, then the chances are they'll probably close. I
Oh,
can
wow.
just give them a bell first thing in the
Quite
morning
helpful.
for you.
I think the longest I did was 10K. That was a struggle.
Sound good? Perfect, right. I'll touch base with you in about an hour then, Ian.